Hi guys, myself Ravi Jaja. I'm currently being studying at Living Tester College of Engineering. Let us discuss about embedded system software at today's class. What are the contents are in embedded system software? What is an embedded system? Real time and its example. Introduction of embedded system software. Real time operating system. Programming language for embedded system. Debugging. Testing the embedded system software. Challenges in embedded system software. And future trends in embedded system software. Let us discover what is an embedded system. An embedded system is a computer system that is designed to perform the specific task and often with a real-time computer constraints. These systems are embedded systems within many different types of devices and machines such as cars, medical equipments, application and consumer electronics. Embedded system often uses to microprocessor and microkernel and digital signal processor to control their functions. And these systems have the specific hardware software requirements to operate the efficiently and reliable depending on their devices. Some example for embedded system includes anti-lock braking systems in car, medical equipments like art monitors, and home applications like refrigerator and washing machines. The real-time example for embedded system: industrial robots, GPS receivers, digital camera, DVD player, wireless routers, set-top boxes, gaming consoles, photocopies, microwave oven, such as. Let us introduction about embedded system software. An embedded system software refers to programmers code and control the functions and operations of embedded system. Embedded system software can be categorized into two types: firmware and application software. Firmware refers to software that is permanently stored in hardware and it is responsible for controlling the basic functions of embedded system. It is usually written in low-level language, interacts closely with hardware components. And applications of software on another hand refers to higher level software program that runs on the top of the firmware. It provides the specific functionality and the features to the embedded system, and along it performs the intent task or application. This software is often developed using higher level programming language and libraries. And real-time operating system. What is a real-time operating system? A real-time operating system is a specific design to meet a requirement to real systems. The real system are the must meet the strict timing constraints and deliver the timing predictably and response to external events. Real-time operating system ensure the critical tasks are executed on time. It manages the scheduling of tasks, handles the interpret, and provides the services for inter-task communication and synchronization. Some key characteristics of real-time operating system: determining the response, task scheduling, interrupt handling, communication and synchronization, resource management. The popular real-time operating systems are free real-time operating system, VxWorks, QNX, and RT Linux. The programming languages are which are used in embedded system. C is one of the most commonly used in programming languages for the embedded system softwares due to it is efficiently and low level access to the hardware. However, it can be difficultly to write and debug the code in C. There is an higher risk of introducing the bugs or security and vulnerability. Python is the beginning increasing popular for embedded system, and due to the it is easy to use the flexibility, and it also allows the rapid prototype and iteration but may not be efficient as a C for certain applications. How the debugging and testing embedded system software. Debugging and testing the embedded system software is in a complex process. It is not a simple process that involves several challenges. One of the main challenges is lack of standardization in hardware and software interface, which makes difficult developing universal debugging and testing the tools. The another challenge is limited resource available in the embedded system. It is not heavily available in the resource, such as memory, processing power, which can be difficult to run the compressive tests. To overcome this challenge, developer uses a varieties of techniques and tools. They may use specialized debugging tools that are designed for the special hardwares and the platforms. Additionally, they have been implemented in a automated testing procedures that can be run repeatedly and ensure their software is in a functioning correctly. Then what are the challenges are in embedded system development? Developing an embedded system is a complex process. Developing an embedded system is not a simple process that involves number of challenges, such as one of the biggest challenges in hardware limitations are embedded systems are and often designing that operate with limited resources, not with complicated or reliable resources, such as memory, processing for storages. This means that developer must carefully optimize their codes to make them most efficient and use the available resources. And another challenge is embedded system developing real-time constraints. The many embedded systems are designed to perform the specific task in real time, which means that must respond to the input within certain time frame. This requires, this requires careful design and testing the ensure that each system can be meet their performance requirement. What are the future trends in embedded system? One of the most existing trend in embedded system software is growing to use the artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is the most future trends in embedded system software, which has artificial intelligence and machine learning. In the future, we can expect the more embedded system that can capable to learn from the environment and adapting their behavioral accordingly. And this has the potential to revolution and industries such as healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing. The embedded system plays a critical role in ensuring the safety and efficiency. So these are the embedded system softwares which I have been discussing with you. Thank you guys.